Wanna know how to check your friend requests in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application, and once I've done that, you should be on the chats interface by default, and now on the bottom right side, you should be seeing something known as the menu. So you can just simply select it. You should open the menu tab. So once you're under menu, here you should be seeing various options. Now you can just scroll down until you see more, and here under more you should be seeing friend request on top. Just simply select friend request, and now here you should be seeing pending request from Messenger itself, so you don't have to open up Facebook. So again, respond by selecting respond right here, either by selecting confirm or delete, just like this, and that's it. You can also see friend suggestions just like that. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.